Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to unlock the brand new Transcendent Bee Egg in Grow a Garden Roblox. So first, just head over to the egg shop in the game. You will find at this area, this egg shop, and then you'll find the Transcendent Bee Egg available there, but will appear randomly. Just check the shops after restock, and then and this Transcendent Bee Egg, if I'm not mistaken, it costs around 2,000 honey coins, and I think it might feel expensive, but trust me, the rewards are totally worth it. And here's something important: this egg isn't only from the shop. You can also obtain it as a random rewards after defeating the Webs King event. So make sure you participate in the battle whenever it spawns. And inside this egg you can hatch several powerful bees. Let's see it like this. You can see it, you can get the powerful bees from here, and if you are lucky you might even get the rarest one, the Genesis bees, which only has a 1.27 drop chance like this. And actually I already managed to get this Transcendent bee. I got the Necromancer bee from the Transcendent egg. And okay, that's it. That's everything you need to know for these Transcendent Bee eggs. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.